I knew it was too good to be true. Tracy just called and she's got a flat tire.
We're going to learn how to change a tire.
Riding 2 days in a row. Stars must have really aligned for this one. Not hard to tell I'm on vacation. It's about the only time stuff like that happens now. So on vacation, a lot of the goings on of the new house are calming down a bit now. Finally getting a minute to ourselves. Good time to get out and do this. Now if our old house would just sell, that would be like the final piece of this irritating puzzle. Let's see if by the time this video gets uploaded, if my house actually sold or not. Maybe I'll put that on the screen right here. Got my fingers crossed that it says it's sold right now. Strange living in a different area now. It's maybe 20 kilometers or so from where we used to live. It's just far enough out that I gotta like rethink where I want to go for a ride, you know? If I want to make the loop end somewhere near the house, it's a little different. Luckily this little loop here, it's one of the old favorites we used to do quite a bit, and it kind of leads me back in that general direction, so it works out pretty good. Well, change of plans, I guess. Tracy just called and she's got a flat tire. I knew it was too good to be true. You just cannot catch a break these days. I'm sure by the time I get there and get this done, the time for riding will be over. Back in about July, we went to the superbike races in Shubenacadie. And to get into the track there, it's a bit of a haul on a dirt road. Tires on Tracy's terrain are wore down pretty good. Still, you know, plenty of meat on them, but just wore down enough that it makes you wonder if you're going to catch a rock just the wrong way. And that's exactly what we did. Ended up getting a puncture and having to stop on the side of the highway on the way home and change it. Got that one fixed, and now a different one is leaking. I was hoping to change those tires out next summer, but it seems like they're cursed. I don't know if I'm going to make them last that long. I better message Tracy and let her know that she's going to have to make some room in there for that tire. There's like her and 2 other people in the vehicle, and it's just loaded with stuff. The worst part of this is I got to try cross town to get to them while everybody's heading home from work. Over 10 minutes in now, and I'm just about halfway. Traffic is at an absolute standstill on every main road. Let's see if I can find my way there in the back way. Guess what? You're gonna let me out. You didn't know it, but
We're going to learn how to change a tire.
I think I have it in the right spot, but I don't know, so I didn't want to jack it.
You can check the pressure in that one?
I have before. We only used it 2 months ago, and I aired it up before I put it away. Well, that's it. Tires changed, but the time to go for a ride is all done. Looks like it picked up a I don't know if it's part of an old chain or something. Made 2 punctures in the tire, one of them right out in the sidewall. So the tire's scrapped. So I gotta go buy some new tires tonight. So I guess maybe the stars weren't aligned so well for me. No ride tonight. I'll have to try it again maybe tomorrow? I don't know. So if you stuck around this long for all this nonsense, then you might as well subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and ring that notification bell, all that good stuff. Maybe check out the Fortnite affiliate links in the description below too if you're planning on making a purchase of Fortnite anytime soon. Maybe then you can help me buy some new tires for my wife's car at no extra cost to you.